the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper ooper.
Look, they are here making it way easy. If you're a super partner and you're putting super into a client's account and you have custom icons, you don't have to worry about the package nonsense anymore. They will automatically be put into your client's accounts, making it easy peasy to slap your logo everywhere. Here to learn more about it, let's look at Super Dave.
What's up, y'all? Super Dave here with an update on custom trigger icons. It's been around a little while now, and it's been available for both end users at the pro level and then also our partners on white labeling. So previously, a partner would have to put a trigger icon in one of the packages and install that on one of the accounts, and that specific trigger icon within that package would then have their icon. It's a little bit cumbersome though if you just want to go and edit a few of the icons that already exist. So what this change does now is let you do just that. So you can go over to your partner page, you can access one of your client instances, find the card you want to edit, and just come in here, hit the drop down, and you're going to see all your icons right here. You also see if they have a custom icon, you could select one of theirs if you really wanted to, but this lets you use yours, right? So you can select one of yours, hit save, and boom, now you don't have to do all the whole install stuff. There's some safeguards in place too, so if there's multiple partners, then you wouldn't see another partner's icons or anything like that. So you're only going to see your icons there, and then you can change that. And then as far as the end user sees, they're going to be able to see all your icons as well, so they can change those and go and select yours proactively if they have the pro level. If they don't have pro level, then they just depend on you to access their instance and set those icons. But this should make it a little bit easier to get those custom icons and really put your IP out there and really make it your own. So I'm excited to see what you guys do with it, and I will see you later.